guys, my name is Dlamini and welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, you're so very welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I was trying to raise my voice, but the morning voice is getting me. So I'm getting ready for work. I woke up early today because I just wanted to get to the office early. I'm happy to say that I have made lunch. I'm currently making lunch, so that's good for us and being a bit more money conscious. I hope that you guys enjoy this episode. Do tell a friend that Isbatla has a channel, and yeah, please watch the ads and continue to pray for me that I get my pin. Okay, so it's just going to be a normal quick look. So hey guys, the chair that I bought and I had issues with macro, I spent the money, so now angazi what's going to be of me because the money is gone. Yeah, but I'm gonna try and see if I can find another one. I did check on Take-A-Lot. They did have it, so we'll try and get it from there. But I'm just so annoyed because this is a setback. My enemies are after me, but it's cool. We'll make a plan. There's just quite a few things that I need to do. Oof. Gotta make a plan. Like, I'm gonna post the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I think it's much better quality than the last video. Sometimes, like, it's because there really is nothing to share, and you know, I have committed to like a two-day post. But you know, I'll try my best to make sure that even when, you know, it's not much activity, but at least maybe we're going to do something or have chats and stuff like that. But yeah, I also just have to make time for sit down episodes. Maybe I could do that later this week, just to record some of those episodes. But yeah, let's see. Let me finish off with my makeup, getting ready, and then we'll catch up before I have to leave. So I don't know what I'm gonna do to my hair. I don't know if I should tie it or do a little side thing, but let's see. I think I dressed too much for summer today. 5 minutes before I have to leave, so we made some lunch. I made my sandwiches and also put some pineapple away. So let me finish up. I think I'm ready. I'll just wear this coat. This will just have to work. And I'm not sure what shoes to wear, but I'm gonna try to wear these, which are too big for my feet, unfortunately. But let's see. These should be fine. It's fine. So let me get some pictures and then we'll go. I am going to regret every second of wearing this shoe. I can feel it. I can feel it. Sorry guys for the lighting indoors. Yeah, the sun just was not up. I do apologize for that. I know it takes away from the experience that you have watching, but it's gonna be better from here. So let me go, and yeah, I hope that we all have a good week, and pray for me that today goes well. And yeah, it doesn't look too bad without lashes. Yes. Yeah, let's have a good day, and then we'll catch up throughout the day. I think I'm gonna make an effort to record in the middle of the day because we don't have traffic talk. I'm just gonna see how we go about having traffic talk. Like maybe if there's too much congestion, then like it's a standstill, then I could do that. But I just want to be a bit more responsible driver. So yeah, let's go. Me and my people be rolling. Hey guys, back from work. It's a bit late-ish. I think it's just 6 o'clock on the dot. My shoes almost killed me. Those shoes almost took my life, and they're not high heels. I don't know, I need to buy something for the inside of the shoe so that I can wear them comfortably, but my feet are painful. But it was a good day. And you guys, your kiddo comes with the job. But really do like my braids. I'm just concerned about this part that I'm gonna have to recurl myself after some time, because yeah, I think these braids will last, but I really like them. I really like them. Ugh. Yeah, so I'm just going to ease into the day. I thought I was going to go to the office tomorrow, but that can't happen. I'm going to go on Wednesday. And yeah, I have to view a place. A lot of stuff to do. But let's catch up tomorrow. I'm going to eat my leftovers also. There's still a bit of leftovers that I can eat. Yeah, but this was a good day. Like, I feel like I'm always coming here talking about how Debbie Downer. But today was a good day. Even my colleagues told me maybe I should take vitamin B supplements because, guys, I'm always tired. And today I had a Red Bull, which I feel like, oh, you guys would have seen that, which I feel like did nothing. I'm still yawning. I'm still exhausted. No condition tizeni, or a deficiency tizeni that I'm going through. So I'm going to get myself some supplements so that I can see if that's the problem, because I'm always tired. And it's not good. So I'm gonna go to the pharmacy sometime this week. But yeah, can you guys tell that I really love my hair? I love my hair.
Today's class is a morning Pilates class that will leave you feeling energized and ready for your day ahead.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. The curls are still curling. All things are good. I think this is my work outfit, my work from home outfits. I've got two now. Two work from home outfits, my uniform. So yeah, I'm just waiting for my session to start. and yeah, there's quite a few things that we have to do and close out today, but I'm excited, and also to record a video for work, which is exciting. Hopefully that goes well. I'm also just gonna do my lashes today. I had to move the appointment because I have to view a place after work tomorrow, so it was just gonna be too much balancing all of that. So quite a lot of things that I have going on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna eat my breakfast, carry on with my session, and yeah, just enjoy the rest of the day. Also did Pilates, which I'm so happy about. Yeah, I think it just helps if I'm going to exercise in the morning or in the days where I'm not going to gym, and then go to gym when I can, so that at least my body is not stop start. But yeah, excited. Let's enjoy the day and have a great one. Hey guys, it's later on in the day. I'm about to have my supper and I've got a nice unboxing. So my friend has a fine leather goods business, which I'm so happy.
Fine leather goods. Treat yourself.
To be unboxing today. So I'll put her details here on the screen and you guys can check her out. She makes really great products, so you guys won't regret it. So it got delivered today. It's just been hectic. Oh, and I've done my lashes, but let me show you guys after we do the unboxing. Ooh, hey now. Ooh, beautiful. Oh my gosh. No, let me take a picture, guys, before. I should have taken. Oh, hiding so bad. Let me take a picture and then we can unbox. Guys, the box even smells amazing. Oh my god. Okay. Ooh. Okay. So inside we have a card, and that's the company's name, Libone. Oh, it smells amazing. Ooh, it smells amazing. Dear Spahle, thank you for your purchase. You are part of our growth story. Live your light. Oh. Ooh. Okay. So I got myself a pouch. And if you guys follow her on Instagram, you would see some of her product offerings. So she's also on Instagram. This is the pouch. Oh, and the quality is really amazing. Like leather, guys. Leather. I love it. And it looks really spacious. So it has Libone inside there and a nice inside as well. This I'm definitely using from tomorrow. Like, oh my god, no rest. And then it has the back pocket or the side, also just quite spacious here. So I need to decide what I'm going to dedicate it to. But it's really beautiful. So beautiful. I'm so happy. So yeah, if you guys are looking for really fine leather goods, reach out to Libone. You can find them on Instagram, but I will link everything also on the description box. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I'm going to have my supper now. Tomorrow I have to go to the office, so yeah, we will prepare for that. But yeah, I think we're going to cut the vlog here, because, or should I do 3 days, guys? Because I feel like 2 days is also just a little bit. So let me see when I'm editing if this is going to be the end of the vlog. If not, we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so I am about to go to bed. I've just almost finished editing, and I'm just seeing that, you know, we've got enough footage. So you guys can see all of that. We've got enough footage, so it's fine. We shall see each other tomorrow. Tomorrow is a work day, like I did say, so we will continue our mini vlogs. So these are the lashes. Always very happy with my lashes, but it was so chaotic for me when Sam, and I feel so bad because every time I have an appointment now, something happens work-wise, or me not being able to get here in time. Please forgive me. But next time, I did tell her that when I book an appointment, it's gonna have to be on a Saturday where I'm doing nothing, nobody's calling me, nobody's no disruptions. But I'm happy with it. So the look is almost complete. I need to do my nails, which I have to do. I don't know if I'm gonna get time this week. I don't know, maybe after work on Thursday. I'll just see how all of that goes. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this episode. It's very much stay at home and work from home vibes, so nothing really exciting. But you know, it's the normalcy of it all. Like, this is the daily life, this is the normal activities that I get up to. So tomorrow we'll start a new vlog and we'll see each other then. Bye.